Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma Academy. Yellow Belt Training.
In this module, we will explain the roles and responsibilities of all those involved in process improvement. We will pay special attention to team selection principles and rules for effective communication. We will also demonstrate the role of management during the different project phases using tollgate reviews. In this graph, the various process improvement roles and responsibilities are shown. The management of the organization must consider Six Sigma as being an integral part of the company's approach to world-class performance. They must facilitate and supply the resources needed to supply this effort. Depending on the size of the organization, one or more master black belts or black belts are responsible for demonstrating and teaching the principles of Six Sigma within the entire organization. They are supported by green belts, who execute improvement projects within the organization. The orange and yellow belts support the projects as team members and form a broad support system throughout the whole organization. Here we can see an overview of the various people concerned with the Six Sigma projects within the organization. The champion is responsible for providing support and resources for the different projects. The black belts are the project managers and undertake several projects each year. They also coach other belts in the tools and methods of Six Sigma. The idea is that as many employees as possible are trained as yellow or orange belts. In some larger organizations, a master black belt is also appointed to be responsible for the overall plans to reach world-class performance. To support Six Sigma projects, a project board must be appointed. The champion is normally a business unit manager who wants to solve a problem. The project board also includes one or more suppliers of resources and department heads of the project's team members. The user is the person who will receive the result of the project. Because all Six Sigma projects end by transferring the results and responsibilities back to the normal organization. A black belt or master black belt is appointed as a coach to the project team to be sure that the DMAIC structure is followed and that the tools and methods are applied as intended. The champion plays an important role in the development of Six Sigma as a problem-solving tool in the organization. The champion is involved in the project selection and in the selection of project leaders. The champion is also involved in tollgate reviews and is responsible for ensuring that there are enough resources available for the projects and that if there are any barriers, they are removed. In addition, the champion takes care of the communication around the Six Sigma vision and implements the inline rewarding structure with the Six Sigma methodology. The black belt is the project leader for major projects that require a breakthrough. Sometimes, black belts work full-time on Six Sigma projects. With the champion, the black belt agrees on the content of the project charter. The project charter serves as a kind of contract, specifying the goal, timeline, and budget for the project. The black belt also takes care of the communication around the project and reports project progress and possible issues and/or barriers. Additionally, the black belt coaches other team members in the use of Six Sigma tools and identifies new project opportunities based on his experience and available data. The green belt is a project leader for smaller projects or parts of major projects. As a project leader, he is also involved in agreeing on the project charter with the champion. He has similar responsibilities to the black belt with respect to the project management and communication. Green belts apply Six Sigma tools and are involved in data mining. Of course, green belts can also contribute to the identification of project opportunities. Yellow and orange belts participate in improvement teams and brainstorming sessions. They have experience in specific product or process knowledge and collect data, perform trials, and do first analyses. Orange and yellow belts are also responsible for improving documentation and procedures. In addition, yellow and orange belts train and instruct operators. Within each organization, there should be as many yellow and orange belts as possible. During a project, the changes proposed by the team will likely lead to resistance. The recognition and handling of resistance is an important part of the project work. Understanding the nature of resistance can help avoid the risks associated with the resistance to change. The team has to contemplate how to increase acceptance of change by increasing awareness and understanding of the team's proposals. As said before, clear communication with the rest of the organization concerning the team's decisions and solutions is of vital importance. During tollgate reviews with the project board, the team's progress and problems need to be discussed. The commitment of the project's champion and suppliers is dependent on a good understanding of the project work. DMAIC templates should be used during these reviews, as well as standardization to help conduct an efficient meeting. To further improve meeting efficiency, avoid storytelling. The discussion should be short and to the point. Stick to the facts and talk about solutions rather than problems. Pay attention to the results of the team and not the activities. At the end of the meeting, an agreement should be made concerning the current status of the project and the next steps that need to be taken. When a project is completed, the team should be congratulated. By doing this, management can also improve motivation and commitment to project work. In general, teamwork involves more effort and stress for team members than their normal work, and this should be recognized by the management. We have now come to an end of this Yellow Belt training module. In this session, we discussed the roles and responsibilities of those involved in improvement projects. We explained team selection criteria and the need for good communication. Management and team member roles were also clarified. Thank you for your interest, and we hope to see you back soon at the Lean Six Sigma Academy.